Hi friends. In our last video we covered the basic introduction to Python. What are various application areas when compared with other language? What is the advantage of Python like we covered. Now the next thing what I have to discuss, what are various specific features are there for Python. We have to discuss about the Python features. These are 11 features whatever I listed so that we have to perform discussion these things. Now let me talk about the first one. The first feature related to Python is simple and easy to learn. It is very simple. If you want to learn any language, whether it is a general speaking language or programming language, first we have to aware about the words. Which words are there in that language like that? Suppose we consider English language. How many words are there in English language? I'm not talking alphabet. It is 26 you are on. No. I'm talking about how many words. Do you know n number of words like more than crores? If you check in dictionary, there is n number of words out there. If you want to perfect in English, you should know all the words. Okay, Java language, how many words are there? Just 53 words we have to aware. So when compared with learning English language, Java language is very simple. But if you consider with Python language, here you need to aware just 33 words only. The person who can understand these 33 reserved words then automatically expert in the Python. So it is very small programming language and easy to learn simple programming language. Next, if consider Java code and Python code, there is a big difference there. Python code is something like reading English statement. I will show the best example. If I ask any person, can you please observe this line? What this line doing? 99% of people will fail. They don't know about the meaning of the syntax unless and until they know the Java. The people who know Java, they can tell this is a ternary operator and 10 greater than 20 is the condition. If that is true, 30 is output or else 40 is output like that. If I show this to Java expert only can understand the code. But in the same thing in Python, how I write, I will show you. If I can ask this one to 100 non-programmers, everyone tell, even school kid can tell if 10 greater than 20, x value is true or else x value is false. The output will be, that means 40. This line seems like reading English language. Not only the condition operator, almost every syntax in Python is very simple and resembles the English language. Suppose I am talking A equal to 10, B equal to 10. Is there I want to check A and B are equal or not. For that the Python code is A is B. This is the code. Same way employee is not none. Like that we need to mention means a simple thing if emp is not none. Don't think this is an English statement. It is a perfectly Python code. So seems to be reading Python code means you feel like reading English statement. That much easiness is there in Python. Python have only 33 reserved words. And if you clearly know the 33 words, you are the Python expert. Next another thing is Python is concise code. That means less code. Development time is going to reduce, cost of produce also reduce. Length of the code is reduced and obviously readability of the code will be improved. I will tell you another example. Assume in my system I have a text file named as xyz.txt file. Now this text file has some contents. Now we need to write a Python program to read this file and print to console. In C and Java, it is a big code, but in Python, only one line code is more enough. That is, I will show you. print open xyz dot txt dot, we need to read, right? So dot read, this is the code. Print is to console, print the console, and open, that one is to open the xyz.txt file. Read is to read about that file. I will show you the example also. I will write a code. Now I have a file hello python, and I will save this file as a mm, xyz. I'll save this as a xyz. Now I am opening the command prompt. It is showing the content which is written in the xyz.txt file. So when compared with any other programming language, Python is simple and easy to understand. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe this video, and please don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.